Today, I want to ask a gaming question. How much terrain is too much terrain? What's going on?
Bitches and bros and non-binary hoes.
Thank you for watching and welcome to Trident and True Hobbies. I normally don't get a chance to talk about tabletop wargaming or its rules. But as I've been painting up terrain for both my D&D sessions and my other tabletop war games, I wanted to propose a question to all of you, and that's how much terrain is too much terrain? Now I know that the obvious answer is, well, it depends on the war game.
Idiot.
And you're right. However, I do have an opinion and I want to hear all of yours as well. There are a wide variety of games out there that use terrain to enhance the experience for their players. Most of these games will have recommendations in their respective rulebooks, and it's up to us to follow them or not. Content creators such as Mini Wargaming, Northern Nights Gaming, Play on Tabletop, and Tabletop Tactics, just to name a few, have beautiful, evocative, and diverse terrain setups. While perhaps your local gaming club or even your very own house has just enough to make it playable and fun. You can even take a look at the tournament scene in games like Warhammer 40k, and the terrain is almost at the very bare minimum. Now, personally, as a fan of narrative and telling stories, I love a ton of terrain. In my opinion, more terrain makes for more exciting games. It stimulates the imagination and it creates a dynamic, immersive experience. You can recreate epic battles or forge new ones with your friends. Now, you also want to take into consideration the types of terrain that are out there, as different types of gaming systems and terrain have different rules, and that can really change the way you view and enjoy a war game. Speaking of the types of terrain, I'm a huge fan of scatter terrain. Scatter terrain refers to the fragments of architecture, natural features, or even small props to provide a visual aid for the players. These can be anything from rubble, bushes, or things like crates, barrels, and barricades. It gives each player a sense of immersion and provides a more haphazard and realistic look to our games. Another huge benefit of scatter terrain is how easy it is to paint. This broken wall section was painted within 5 minutes, and all it took was white primer and some washes to create a realistic effect. And once you have everything set up on your table, all you need to do is grab your minis, roll some dice, and have an amazing time with your friends. So I'm curious to know what your thoughts are on terrain. Do you like to have just the bare minimum, the recommendation, or a ton of terrain? Let me know down in the comments below. I do want to say thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the very end. I know it was a short one, but it was a subject matter that I wanted to talk about. And thank you so much as well for liking and subscribing. And if you're not subscribing, it's totally okay. I do appreciate your viewership.
The rest of you are dead to me. You made the stupidest decisions of your life.
I'm just kidding. And a huge thank you to everyone over on Patreon who is supporting the content that I create. It really does mean the most to have the ability to do this and for people to really enjoy it that much. So for everyone who's supporting me, thank you, thank you, thank you. I just put out this month's Patreon exclusive where we take a look at how to paint damage and rust effects. So if this is something that you're interested in, please go ahead and check out the video. Links will be down below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you
On the flippity flip.
Peace.